If you want to brighten your skin and pop like that baby girl that you are, then this soap review is for you. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Fabi, and if today is the very first day you're seeing this beautiful face on your screen, you are welcome to the channel. Okay, on today's video we're going to be reviewing the Asantee papaya soap. Okay, this particular soap has been all over social media. I know you have seen it on TikTok, you have seen it on YouTube, you have seen reviews, and you are wondering if you should be getting this because of the things that it promises to give. All right, so let's just dive into the video. So this particular soap is called Asantee papaya and honey soap. This particular soap, I've used it for I think that should be around 3 to 4 months now, and I wanted to come here and give a detailed review on this particular soap. Now wetin person use na she fit talk about abi. So this particular soap is produced from made at Thailand, and this particular soap helps in skin brightening, it helps to fade away dark spots, and it also exfoliates the skin. So imagine getting all these things from just a bar soap. Amazing, right? When it comes to the ingredients, it contains coconut palm oil, which actually helps in hydration, locking in moisture. When you are done bathing, you're actually going to feel moisturized. Your skin is not going to be feeling dry. You know, there's some soaps that are actually brightening, that once you are done using them from the shower, you will notice that your skin is drying up as if you're in the harmattan. But because it contains this particular ingredient called coconut palm oil, it would help to lock in moisture, it would help to hydrate your skin, it would help to leave your skin to be very soft. It also contains sodium hydroxide solution, which actually helps in brightening. Also, it contains papaya extract. Like I said, any product that contains papaya extract is known for its super brightening properties. So the particular papaya extract helps this particular product to brighten the skin, okay? It also contains vitamin C, and we already know that vitamin C is that one ingredient again that actually helps in skin brightening. It also contains AHA, which, like I just said earlier, AHA is alpha hydroxy acid, which helps in exfoliation. This particular product does a lot. And for the price, I purchased this particular product for 1,500 naira. Depending on my location, it might differ various. So for the price, I would say that it's actually nice on the skin. So when it comes to the usage, if you have watched my detailed video on how I take care of my body care routine, you would see that or notice that I only use this product at night. Okay, I only use this product at night because it contains brightening agents, and I don't want to work under the sun with a brightening agent on my skin because I don't have a body sunscreen. So I would advise that if you have this kind of skin that I have that is very sensitive to the sun, I would say you can just use it every night. It's a product that you can use every day. Okay, but if you know you don't have any a sensitive skin, you can use this particular product morning and night. When it comes to fading away dark spots and fading away hyperpigmentation and then giving you that glow that you're looking for, the particular product does the promises that it says. Like it fulfills its promises. When you use it on your face, you're going to be noticing that those hyperpigmentation, that dark spot would gradually fade away. Like I said, consistency is key when it comes to skin care regimen, or getting rid of that your skin concern. When you are consistent, you're going to actually be noticing good and effective results. So I would say that you should be consistent when you are using this particular product. But this is not just the way I use it that it worked for me. I'll actually be telling you in details how I use it, that it works for me and works really fine when it comes to the skin brightening and glow up. Okay, so the first thing I do is that I actually recommend that whenever you are getting your lotion, that you actually get a body scrub. I've said this over and over again. Even as this product actually promises to exfoliate your skin, which it does, but it will not do it as much as a body scrub would. So I will actually exfoliate my skin twice in a week, and then after, when I'm done exfoliating my skin in the shower, the last thing I do is to use this product to bathe. That way my skin is absorbing all the ingredients straight up from this particular product. Because my skin pores are open, my body is open, and my hair follicles are open and neat and ready to accept products. So once I'm done exfoliating, I would go ahead and use this amazing bar soap on my skin. And when it comes to the usage, I would say that you will see effective results when you actually cut it into bites. I would explain now. So I'm going to unbox this or unpack it from it. This is how it looks on the inside. So what I do is that when I go into the shower or the time I want to use this particular one now that I just opened, I will go ahead to cut it into 3 bites. Okay, the more you cut it into 3 bites, the better or longer that it will last for you, because when this soap comes in contact with water and air, I don't know, it just tends to melt, and the efficiency on your skin will actually reduce when you just use this whole bar and then keep it in your bathroom. You may not be seeing the effects as much as you'll be seeing it when you cut it in bites. When you cut it in bites, you use a particular section, and when that section finishes, you go in with the second section, and when the second section finishes, you go in with the third section. That way you're going to be noticing that your skin will be popping, and the product itself would last for you. So another thing I would say that I like about this particular product is that it lathers a lot. Like when you just apply this with your sponge and the water, you will see the lather, like it lathers a lot. I think I'm actually going to insert a video on how the lather, is so much that a little can actually scrub or do the stuff for you. It can actually wash your body properly. So that's why I said this particular product is actually best when you cut it in bites. So when you cut it in bites, it will even last more for you, because the lather that comes from this product, the lather that comes from, in fact, people that use Asantee should just come to the comment section and attest what I'm trying to say, because the lather that comes from this product is actually amazing. It lathers so well, and it smells like pawpaw. It smells fruity. So if you're the kind of person that likes fruity kind of smell, you like when you come up from the shower, you're smelling like a fruit, this product is a product that you should be purchasing. So when it comes to identifying the fake, because this product has fake, yes, any good product in the market actually has fake, because people want to imitate it so that people will buy, because they already know that people will actually buy, and people will fall victim of buying the fake. And then you hear people saying, I bought Asantee papaya soap like you said, and it's not working for me. It's not working for you because probably you got the fake. So when it comes to identifying the fake, how I do that is that when I walk into a shopping mall or when I walk into a store, and let me say again, that you're buying a product from a shopping mall does not mean that you will not fall a victim of buying the fake. Shopping mall does not guarantee that you're buying original, okay? You can actually go into a shopping mall and buy fake. I've actually bought a fake product from a shopping mall. I don't want to mention the name so that I will not cast the shopping mall, all right? So what I'm trying to say is, when I walk into a shopping mall or I walk into my skincare shop where I get my skincare products, and then I want to buy Asantee papaya soap, and I want to ascertain that I'm buying the original Asantee papaya soap, what do? I pick up my phone and I scan this barcode here. Yes, there's a barcode here. I scan this barcode here. And when I scan it on my phone, I'm going to actually insert a video of me scanning the barcode. When I actually scan the barcode and it leads me to Asantee website, it means that I am purchasing the original. But when you scan this barcode here and it leads you to God knows where, run. You don't need me to tell you to run, because you're actually going to buy a fake. And you know what fake products can do to your skin? They can damage your skin, because you don't know the ingredient that the manufacturers are going to use just because they want to make money, and then you now end up damaging your skin. So like I said, there's a barcode here, a little barcode here. So you're going to be using your phone to scan that barcode. Once it leads you to the main Asantee website, you have purchased the right one. Sis, go ahead and buy and enjoy your soap. But if you scan it and it does not lead you to that website, drop that product and even drop other products and run, because they might actually be selling fake that you cannot ascertain. All right, so this is actually how you are going to identify the fake. Actually, I've seen people say, if you notice the green one here, it will be more green, it will not be more green in the original. That is not how to ascertain the fake. Like, that is not how to tell the fake, because these people that are manufacturing the fake actually pays details to YouTube videos like this. So when you complain and say the green pigmentation in this one is lighter than the green pigmentation in the original one, they will go and make the green pigmentation in the other one to be same. Yes, so the only way is to scan the barcode. code. So if you're looking forward to glowing up, you're looking forward to getting rid of your dark spots on your face or your body, you're looking forward to getting a same skin tone, I would say that you actually purchase this product. And when you are bathing, please focus more on the areas that you have that your body is actually darker than other parts of your body, like discoloration. And discoloration can actually occur majorly on your knee, on your elbow, and other parts of the body. Other parts of your body that actually discoloration can occur. But for mine, I focus more on my knuckle, my elbow, my knee, and then any other part that I'm seeing that is not same skin tone with other part of my body. All right, if that makes sense. So if you have a very sensitive skin and you want to use this soap as your face soap on your face, I would say once you apply it, just lather it up. Apply the lather on your face. Do not apply the exact bar soap on your face, because you know that you have a very sensitive skin. It will react on your face. So I would just say lather it up and then use the lather to wash your face, and then wash it off immediately, ASAP. Then if you don't have a sensitive skin and you want to use this soap on your face, I would say that the way to use it is that maybe you apply it on your hand, lather it up, and then apply it on your face, and then maybe leave it for like a minute to 2, and then you wash it, because you don't have a sensitive skin. It's not going to actually affect you like that. In conclusion, Asantee papaya soap is the best option when you are looking for an affordable bar soap that would brighten your skin and lather so well. It actually does a lot for your skin, and if you use this, you're going to thank me later. But remember that my skin differs from yours. All right, we don't have same skin texture, so what works for me may not work for you. But I actually make you to know if you're actually going to need this soap or not. So if you have used this soap and you are watching this video, I know by now you're going to be smiling because you already know the benefits that actually in this soap. You can leave a comment in the comment section so that people who have not will be convinced to purchase it and use it. Okay, and if you have watched this particular point of the video and you are yet to subscribe, now what are you waiting for? Please hit on the subscribe button, subscribe, and come into the family, because here we do all things related to skincare, feminine hygiene, girls things, tips here and there at the affordable side. Okay, I review affordable products and I tell you what to do to gain your skin glow back on a budget. Okay, here we glow on a budget. Remember to like this video, share it to someone that you know that you're looking forward to brighten her skin, someone that you're looking forward to say goodbye to a dull skin, say goodbye to dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and glow up. Okay, then remember to leave a comment in the comment section if you did enjoy this video, and also tell me the kind of content that you want to see next, the kind of video you want to see next. I'll actually make it. Remember to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload a new video. And until next time, my loves, stay glowy and bye.